You're looking at the interior cab of a B75D New Holland payloader. Not a payloader, a backhoe. And I want to show you how the seats work. There's one function that you really need to be aware of. Well, first of all, let's just look at this lever on the left side. That's the one that allows you to swing backwards so you can run your backhoe operation. Not a lot of room for your feet. It's a little shallow when you turn around. You have a lever here in the front. That lever adjusts front and back so you can get closer or farther away from your steering wheel. But the one I really want to tell you about is down here. This one. This one adjusts the ride and comfort. If you screw it clockwise, you have to pull the little dial out so you can do it. If you screw that clockwise, it will stiffen the ride so you don't hit rock bottom when you bounce on it. And you bounce a lot in these machines. They're awfully big and heavy, and you really do get shaken around. So the first thing you should do is drive down the road, hit a few bumps, and then see if you need to turn that clockwise to make it stiffer or counterclockwise to make it looser. I had to go about 4 or 5 turns to get it stiff enough so I didn't hit rock bottom when I bounced. That's the seats. How they work, there's some other functions, but this is what worked good for me.